Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Today's World. आमे प्रीवियस क्लास रे 110 क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर सारी आमे एही जीएस सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करिवा। जो माने भी प्रीवियस क्लास देखि नाहंती प्लीज जाइकी प्रीवियस क्लास देखि नियंतु। एही सब क्वेश्चन अपकमिंग एग्जाम पाई बहुत हेल्पफुल होबो and very important. Let's start today discussion. First question is, who founded the Vikramshila University? Who founded the Vikramshila University? First one is Dharmapal, second is Devpal, third one is Rampal, and last one is Gopal. Then correct option is option A, Dharmapal. King Dharmapal of Pal dynasty established the Vikramshila University after Nalanda University degraded. It becomes the main center of Buddhist studies. Main center of Buddhist studies. Correct option is option A. Dharmapal is king of Pal dynasty. Okay, move to next question. Which of the following temples is considered as a wonder of rock cut architecture? First option is Brihadisvar temple, Tanjavur, Lingaraj temple, Bhubaneswar, Kailash temple, Ellora, Kondaria Mahadev temple, Khajuraho. Then correct option is option C, Kailash temple, Ellora. Kailash temple of Ellora, cave 16 of Ellora is an example of rock cut architecture. Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna I. Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna I built this temple is Dravidian style. Which style? Dravidian style. It is designed to recall Mount Kailash, the home of Lord Shiva. And correct option is option C, Kailash temple, Ellora. Move to next question. Art of Gandhara style flourished during the reign of Dash, Kushana, Guptas, Akbar and Maurya. Then correct option is option A, Kushana. The Gandhara school of art was developed during the Kushana period. It was based on Gandhara and Mathura style. They were provided adequate encouragement and protection from Kanishka. Gandhara art was influenced by Greek art. Gandhara art was influenced by Greek art. Then correct option is option A, Kushana. Move to next question. Who amongst the following Mauryan rulers did conquer the Deccan? First option is Ashoka, second option is Chandragupta, third option is Bindusara, third option is Kunal. Then correct option is option B, Chandragupta. The founder of Mauryan dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya, conquered the Deccan Plateau. Jain and Tamil research inscription found at various sites of southern India proved that Chandragupta Maurya expanded his empire into Deccan tract. Inscriptions of Ashoka were also found from many sites of the southern part of India, but they conquered the Kalinga only. In this situation, Chandragupta should be given the credit of Deccan victory, as the victory of Bindusara is doubtful and history never remembered him as a victor. And correct option is option B, Chandragupta. Move to next question. Which one of the following pair not correctly matched? Tirthankar and Nirvana place. First option is Rishabhanatha is Nirvana place is Ashtapada. Second option is Vasupujya, Nirvana place is Samedesh Shikhara. Third option is Neminath, Nirvana place is Urjanta. Last one is Mahavira, Nirvana place is Ubhapuri. Then correct option is option B. Option B. Vasupriya Vasupuja was the 12th Tirthankar of Jainism. He attained Nirvana or Moksha in Champapur, Bihar. All other pair are correctly matched. Then incorrect one is Vasupujya is Nirvana and Moksha is Champapur, Bihar. Okay, then correct option is option B. Then move to next question. Gautam Buddha mother was from which clan? First option is Sakya clan. Second is Maya clan. Third is Lichavis clan. And last one is Kalyan clan. Then correct option is option D, Kalyan clan. Gautam Buddha, also known as Siddharth, childhood name, was born 563 BC in Sakya Kshatriya family in Lumni near Kapilavastu, Nepal. His father name was Sudhodana, who was the chief of the Sakya clan. His mother was Maya Devi, who was from the Kalyan clan. Father is Sakya clan. Father is Sakya clan. Mother is Kalyan clan. Then correct option is option D, Kalyan clan. Move to next question. In which Vedic text term Varna is found referred for the first time? In which Vedic text the term Varna is found referred for the first time? First is Rigved, second option is Atharvaved, third option is Samved, last option is Yajurved. Then correct option is option A, Rigved. Correct option is Rigved. The term of Varna is first mentioned in the Rigved, which is the oldest of the four Ved. The Rigved contains hymns and verses that describe the social hierarchy of ancient Indian society, including the concept of Varna. In the Rigved, the term Varna refer to the four social classes or order. First option is Brahmin. Second classes is Kshatriya. Third is Vaishya. Fourth is Shudra. Okay, then correct option is option A, Rigved. Move to next question. The main source of knowledge about the inhabitant of Indus Valley civilization is the discovery of dash. First is seal, second is utensil, jewelry, weapon, tools, and third is temples, and last one is scripts. Then correct option is option A, seals. The site of Indus Valley civilization was excavated in year 1921, and objects such as tools, weapons, ornaments, or archaeological or historical interest were found there. But the main source to know about this civilization is seals. There were more than 3,000 seals found. How many? 3,000 seals found. Then correct option is option A, seals. Then move to next question. Name the site which has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. First option is Dhalavira. Second option is Kailgul Muhammad. Third option is Kalibangan. Last option is Mehergarh. Then correct option is Mehergarh. Option D. Among the given option, the oldest evidence of permanent life has been found for the first time from Mehergarh, located in Kachi Plains of Balochistan. Of Balochistan. Balochistan. Whose authentic date is around 7000 BC, while the oldest date of Kyle Gul Muhammad and Kalbangan is 4000 BC and 3500 BC respectively. Then correct option is option D, Mehergarh. Then move to next question. Who introduced the system of Mohalwari settlement in Bengal? Who introduced the system of Mohalwari settlement in Bengal? First option is Lord Hastings. Second option is Lord Cornwallis. Third option is Holt Mackenzie. Next option is more than one of the above. And last option is none of the above. And correct option is option D, more than one of the above. Mohalwari system was devised by Holt Mackenzie in 1822 in the Bengal Presidency. Under this system, the land revenue was collected from the farmers by treating whole village as single unit called Mahal. As single unit called Mahal, the revenue was not fixed but revised periodically. Then correct option is option C, not D, option C, Holt Mackenzie. Who introduced the system of Mohalwari settlement in Bengal? Holt Mackenzie. Okay, correct option is option C. Correct option is option C, Holt Mackenzie in 1822. Move to next question. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Battle of Buxar is Mir Jafar versus Clive. Second option is Battle of Vandios, French versus East India Company. Third option is Battle of Chilenwala, Dalhousie versus Maratha. Last option is Battle Khorda, Nizam versus East India Company. Then correct option is option B. Correct option is option B. Battle of Buxar, October 1764, was fought between Allied force of Mir Qasim, Sujadullah and Shah Alam II and British force. British force led by Hector Munro defected the Allied force badly. Battle of Vandios was fought between French and East India Company in 1760. Battle of Buxar is 1764. Battle of Chilenwala fought in 13 January 1849. Lord Gough commanded the British army and the Sikh army was under the commands of Sher Singh. The battle ended undecided. Battle of Khorda is 1795. Was fought Maratha against Nizam. Maratha against Nizam, in which Nizam was defeated. Then correct option is option B. Battle of Vandios is French versus East India Company. Correct option is option B. Battle of Vandios, French versus East India Company. Then move to next question. Creator of Bibi ka Maqbara or Tomb of Bibi was dash? Humayun. Second option is Shahjahan. Third option is Akbar II. Last option is Aurangzeb. Then correct option is option D, Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb construct Bibi ka Maqbara, which is an architectural wonder with intricate design, carved motifs, imposing structure and beautifully landscaped Mughal style garden. It is known as Tomb of Bibi. It is called the Mini Taj. It is called of the Mini Taj. Or second is Taj Mahal. It is also known as Tomb of Rabiaut Durrani. Then correct option is Aurangzeb. Option D. Move to next question. Which of the following rulers at first assumed the title Hazrat-e-Ala and afterwards sultans? First option is Bahlal Lodi. Second option is Sikandar Lodi. Third option is Sher Shah Suri. Last option is Islam Shah Suri. Then correct option is option C. Option C, Sher Shah Suri. Sher Khan assumed the title of Hazrat-e-Ala after defending the ruler of Bengal, Nasrat Shah. He assumed the royal title of Sher Shah after defeating of Humayun in the Battle of Chausa on June 26, 1539, and ordered to read Khuta by his name and the coins to be minted his name. Then correct option is Sher Shah Suri. Option C. Move to next question. Identify the first ruler of Vijayanagara who captured Goa from Bahamani. Then correct. Then option is first option is Harihar 1, second option is Harihar 2, third option is Buka 1, last option is Devrai 2. Then correct option is option B, Harihar 2. Correct option is option B, Harihar 2. After the death of Buka 1 in 1377 AD, his son Harihar 2 ascended to the throne. He assumed the title Maharaja Dhiraja and conquered the region of Kanara, Mysore, Kanchi, Tiruchirappalli and collected tax from the king of Sri Lanka. His major achievement was winning the Belgaum and Goa from Bahamani. He was the devotee of Virupaksha from Lord Shiva. Then move to next question. Who of the following was president of Indian National Congress for consecutive 6 years? First option Jawaharlal Nehru, second option is Dadabhai Naraji, third option is Abul Kalam Azad, last option is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Then correct option is Abul Kalam Azad. Abul Kalam Azad was the president of Indian National Congress for 6 consecutive years. 6 consecutive year. Correct option is option C, Abul Kalam Azad. Move to next question. During the Champaran Satyagraha, the cultivation of indigo was known as dash. First option is Tinkathia system, second option is rotary system, third option is slash and burn agriculture, last option is Nilkari. Then correct option is option A, Tinkathia system. Option A, Tinkathia system. During the Champaran Satyagraha, the cultivation of indigo was known as Tinkathia system. Tinkathia was the most prevalent system in Champaran. According to it, the factory owners convinced the tenants to grow indigo in a specific area of his holding for which a fixed price was paid. Then correct option is option A, Tinkathia system. Then move to next question. Who among the following was not an early member of the Naujawan Sabha formed in 1926 AD? Naujawan Sabha formed in 1926 AD. Not an early member. First option is Bhagat Singh, second option is Yashpal, third option is Chabil Das, last option is Ambika Chakrabarti. Then correct option is option D, Ambika Chakrabarti. Naujawan Bharat Sabha was left-wing Indian association that sought to foment revolution against the British Raj by gathering together worker and peasant youth by disseminating Marxist idea. It was founded by Bhagat Singh in March 1926. Naujawan Sabha is founded in March 1926 along with Chabilo Das, Yashpal, Ramachandra, Bhagwati Charan Vora. It was part of the Hindustan Republic Association. Ambika Chakrabarti was a member Chittagong Jugantar Party. He took part in the Chittagong Armory raid led by Surya Sen. He joined Naujawan Sabha at later stage. Then correct option is option D, Ambika Chakrabarti. Move to next question. Who among the following said Swaraj is our birthright? Who among the following said Swaraj is our birthright? First option is M.K. Gandhi, second option is G.K. Gokhale, third option is B.G. Tilak, last option is Dadabhai Naroji. Then correct option is option C, B.G. Tilak means Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct option is option C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak said Swaraj is our birthright. Then correct option is option C, B.G. Tilak. Then move to next question. Who was the founder of the Servant of India Society? Who was the founder of the Servant of India society. First is M.G. Ranade. Second option is Ananta Patwardhan. Third option is G.K. Gokhale. Last is B.G. Tilak. Then correct option is G.K. Gokhale. G.K. Gokhale. Servant India Society was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale in 1952. Unit and train Indian of different ethnicity and religion in welfare work. It was the first secular organization to devote itself to the unprivileged rural and tribal peoples. Then correct option is option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Last one is, today's last question is, who led the Santhal rebellion? First option is Joypal Singh. Second option is Master Tara Singh. Third option is Shibu Soren. Last option is Sidhu and Kanhu. Then correct option is option D, Sidhu and Kanhu. In 1855 to 56, Sidhu Kanhu, Chand and Bhairav, the four brothers, gave a call for rebellion. The rebellious Santhals assembled and raised their arms against the British revenue system. Okay. Correct option is option D, Sidhu and Kanhu. Other two members is Bhairav and Chand. And correct option is option D. Okay. Please subscribe, like and share these channels for more selective GS questions. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.